So this is a Versa cut half Euro cylinder I had gotten from Richard Jones, or the Welsh lockpicker. I had never heard of Versa. I'm sure it's pretty standard issue over in Europe, but I figured I'd make a video. Lawlocks tools, 39 thousandths or 1 millimeter. I'm putting pretty decent pressure on it, and Moki standard. So I got nothing on one. No, I just overset one because I was on one and not two. So I don't think I got anything on one. It's a click out of two, maybe. Something out of three, maybe. 4, 5, 6, and it's open. But that's the Versa from Richard Jones.